If your crypto isn't stored securely, it's not really yours. Let me show you the wallet that takes offline security to a whole new level. Everything shared on this video is for educational purposes only. Introducing Ellipal. Ellipal is a fully air-gapped hardware wallet, meaning that it never connects to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or USB. You sign transactions by scanning QR codes, keeping your private keys 100% offline. It has over 1 million global users, and it's built for users who want cold storage security without the headache of complicated setups. The device uses a secure element chip and self-destruct mechanism that wipes data if tampered with. It supports hundreds of coins and tokens, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and major altcoins. The mobile app pairs seamlessly through QR codes, no cables, no risks of malware. Now, most wallet hacks happen through online connections. Ellipal removes that attack surface completely. It's perfect for long-term holders and traders who want peace of mind. And you can download their app on both Android and iPhone. You can manage DeFi and NFTs directly through the app while keeping funds really cold. It's known for combining solid protection with user-friendly design, and many traders use it as their go-to cold storage wallet for multi-chain portfolios. The device has a touchscreen and metal body, which is durable and portable. It supports staking, DeFi, and NFT management all from one app. And backups are stored with encrypted recovery phrases, adding another layer of protection. You can click the link down in the description and get started today. You can find all of their products in the website down in the description and choose the one that suits you the best. It's super easy to switch. You can swap without limitations, and you can be your own bank and manage multiple wallets. You have asset management, swap, you can buy and sell crypto, and stake all through Ellipal. If you take crypto security seriously, it's time to upgrade to an air-gapped wallet. Check out Ellipal through the link below and see how easy true cold storage can be. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to also like and subscribe to our channel and leave in the comments any questions you may have, and we will answer them for you. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.